Here is a wonderful 2021 Nissan Altima. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, keyless start, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.